This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn off messages from other people on the Xbox One. This is really easy. So right here is the setting. Others can communicate with voice, text, or invites. Decide who on Xbox to communicate with using voice and text, and who sends you invitations to parties, games, or invites or clubs. So you have the option for everybody, friends, or block. Now to get to this setting, let's go back to the home screen. Press the Xbox button. Go on over to your profile, and then go down to settings. Now under here, let's go to account. Then go to the right, and go to privacy and online safety. Then type in your passkey if you got it. Now under here, let's go to Xbox privacy. Then go to view details and customize. Then go to communication in multiplayer. Now let's go to the third option right here. Others can communicate with voice, text, or invites, and set this to friends or block. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.